Hey guys, how you doing? It's Mark, and it is Thursday afternoon. Just got back from the doctor's appointment, and for the most part, it was a good visit. There's always bad with the good, so we just have to take that as it comes, I guess, and do what we can, right? Anyway, on with the package. I have a package for you today. Oh, it's already opened up. I didn't do that. But let's use it. What the hell? Package is quite squished. Maybe that's why it was cut like that. What is this? Oh, cool. Cool. This is pretty beat up. But it did come from China. What this is actually I don't know if you guys can make that out, a dust suction mite remover. This is for vacuuming up the dust and lint and stuff from your beds, from your bedding, couch, cushions, anything of that nature. It seemed like a good idea at the time. It has a UV, 99% sterilization process, cyclone dust from funny dust mite, multiple filtration, bid farewell to second pollination. Works large areas and strong suction up to 10,000 PA. Non-consumable from water washing to visible dust cup. 100% efficiency, tapping 8,000 minutes, whatever that means. One button switch on for simplicity. It looked good in the infomercial, so I don't know, we'll give it a try. Hopefully it still works. I mean, this box got beat up pretty bad, but that's what I got. One more package today. I think that's all I got. I will find out. But as always, you guys have a great day, unless, of course, you've made other plans. Until the next time, peace out.